Welcome to Knee Saver Electrical Box first video series. We'll be focusing on how our products work. This is the fourth video in our series where we will show the components of a single and double receptacle or switch box. In order to allow more wires into a junction box, a bigger box is required. This video is all about taking advantage of the necessary bigger box. We're going to show you how to install a single or double receptacle or switch box in the rough installation process. But here's the exciting part. This video shows how to convert a single receptacle into a double receptacle in an already finished wall. Let's face it, builders put one receptacle where most people wind up putting their home entertainment center. What follows next is a very cheap extension cord, which winds up laying out on the carpet. It's needed for the TV, cable box, CD player, DVD player, etc. In most cases, electrical lines are installed to cover certain areas, not to maximize every line to its maximum amount of electrical line. Examples include a line for the kitchen area, bedrooms, bathroom, garages, etc. So after a quick check to determine how many receptacles are on that line, you can add one more without touching the wires. Just follow the directions on this video. This first photo shows an already wired hub where the cable goes through the clear top cover. The single and double snap-in ring are shown here in black, along with a single receptacle shown in red, and a double receptacle shown in blue. Here, we show how a pre-wired hub slides down into a junction box through the top of the box. This is the pre-wired hub in the box where the top cover snaps onto the top of the box. Shown here is a view of the tips of the wires just past the set screws, showing a good electrical connection. This top view is what an electrical inspector can see during his rough inspection. All wires are distinguishable, black, white, and bare. Each wire can be seen at its connection point. Wire tips are viewable just past the set screws. All ground wires are connected to a ground bar. Keep in mind that this top cover is a clear movable cover as one option. The top cover can be made with a movable top cover, which in the open position gives a clear view of all of the wires at their connection points. This is what it would look like for the rough inspection without a termination device attached. This is a single termination device, in this case a receptacle. The single snap-in ring is installed on this side. The solid PVC area to the right of the receptacle would be behind the future sheetrock. The snap-in ring and the single receptacle is removed to install a double receptacle without the need to touch or handle the wires. The double receptacle, snap-in ring, and double receptacle are shown here. The snap-in ring is installed here. The double receptacle is installed here. Now here's a closer look. This photo represents a single receptacle already installed in a finished and sheetrocked wall, along with the needed double ring and the double receptacle. Simply pull out the single receptacle, position the double ring over the single ring, and follow the perimeter of the double ring with a pencil. Use a cutter to remove that piece of sheetrock. Snap in the double snap-in ring. Now simply plug in the double receptacle. This video shows how neat and clean this conversion can be done and without touching the wires. Keep in mind, when you are cutting the sheetrock, the razor blade cannot touch any of the wires or any area that is energized.